Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, which is Pybron. My name is Rajesh, and I am going to continue the evaluation of classification model. So again, I would like to give the importance of this playlist. Basically, whenever you are going to deal with the any kind of classification model, that time how much good your model, how you can identify those things, how you can evaluate your model, whether your model is good or not, right? So with this parameter, we can evaluate our model. So continuation of these things, we had discussed about the accuracy in my previous video. We had discussed about the recall. We had discussed about specificity. Okay, now these three things we had discussed in my previous video. Now we are going to discuss about the precision and F1 score in this video. Okay, hope you understood the today's agenda. Today's agenda will be to understand the precision and F1 score, how to calculate this precision and F1 score. Let's understand these two things. So fourth evaluation matrix, we are going to discuss about the precision, right? So precision is nothing but precision measure of amongst all positive prediction, how many of them were actually positive. Like, let me draw once again confusion matrix. That will be great if I can draw these things so you can understand in a better way. So this is actual value. This is my predicted value. This is positive. This is actual positive. This is actual negative. This is actual, predicted positive, and this is predicted negative. Yes or no? Yes. So these are the diagram is there. So true positive is nothing but actually positive, and model is also saying positive. Yes, you are positive. Then it's a true positive. Negative means actually negative, but model is saying no, you are positive. Then in that case, falsely identified positive, then false positive. This is known as the false positive. Then this is actually this patient, this block. I'm talking about this block. So this patient is actually positive and model is saying no, you are negative. Then in that case, falsely identifies negative. Then similar way, I must say patient is negative, actually negative, and model is also saying negative. Then it's known as the true negative. Right. Hope you understood this diagram. Now, coming to the precision. Precision means out of all prediction, how many are correctly identified as a positive. This is known as the precision. Now, TP. So mathematically, if I can say, define this mathematically, okay, let me write a statement first, then I will write a mathematical definition. So it will be great to understand. So precision is nothing but it's a measure of amongst all positive predictions, how many of them were actually positive, right? So let's explain this thing in a mathematics definition, right? So precision is, if I can write a precision mathematical form, is true positive divided by true positive plus false positive. Is it? Yes. See, this is my total prediction of positive, right? If I will draw this, if I can block this thing, highlight these things, this is my total predictions of positive, right? So out of total prediction of positive, how many are correctly identified as a positive? So this is that block. So true positive divided by total TP plus FP. This is that precision. Now, but we have a problem, and we had discussed in our second video TPR as well. TPR is nothing but a sensitivity. So TPR stands for true positive rate. True positive rate is what? Total actual positive patient, how many are correctly identified as a true positive, means TP divided by TP plus FN. This is my recall. You can say TPR, or you can say sensitivity, right? Or you can say recall. Both are, these three names are same. Okay, don't be confused. So here is the problem. This TPR is basically is the measure of predictions. Means TPR is basically measure the actual value. Means out of the actual value, how many are correctly identified. But precision is nothing but out of prediction, how many are correctly identified. So both the metrics is quite same, but there is some difference. So now which matrix you should select? But there is a problem. So right. So let's suppose your precision is 50-50%. Precision is 50% and TPR is also 50%. So which one you can select? Or you are getting confusion in between of that. So in that case, you can go with the F1 score matrix. If you are not able to understand, because both are, it's precision is based on prediction I can say, and TPR is based on actual value, right? So both are quite same. So in that case, you can go with the score, F1 score. Okay, so F1 score is what is going to give it to you, how it is going to help to identify which model you should select. So F1 score will help you in that case. F1 score is the HP, or you can say harmonic mean of the precision and recall. So F1 score is the HP, or you can say harmonic precision of recall and precision and recall. So mathematically, if I can define F1 score, so in that case, I can write 2 into precision into recall divided by precision plus recall. Right. So this is my F1 score. So whatever F1 score will be bigger, that value you can select, right? So this is all about the F1 score. Hope you understood the F1 score and it's clear. And when you should go with the tip, if you are getting confused with the precision and recall, then go select the F1 score. Hope you understood these things, right? Right. Thank you. With this, I'm going to complete this video and we'll meet in the next video with the some another AUC and ROC card, because that is the huge topic. I want to invest some time on that, so it will be very clear for you guys. Thank you for watching this. If you really like this video, then please do subscribe our channel so that never miss our update. Thank you.